So what makes a city? The people and the infrastructure. When an earthquake strikes, the key question is, how can we ensure that we reduce the amount of casualties and property losses? This can be achieved by retrofitting and strengthening our buildings. Here, I'm presenting to you an easy and convenient means of estimating building vulnerability. When an earthquake strikes several kilometers below ground, the shaking propagates through the soil to the ground surface, which in turn shakes the building, and the building suffers damage. And soft soil tends to amplify the shaking more than stiffer soil. These are all captured in my model. Next, the frequency of the ground motion will be compared with the natural frequency of the building. If these two frequencies are similar, the building will sway violently, as shown in the above video. Tall buildings are more vulnerable to low-frequency shaking. The opposite goes for low-rise buildings. Hence, it doesn't mean that all buildings will suffer extensive damage when subjected to a strong earthquake. The single magnitude earthquake, such as moment magnitude and Richter scale, do not provide sufficient details such as the actual ground shaking, frequency, nor the duration of the earthquake. All of these three governs the damage potential to buildings. In my model, I've incorporated these three components into wavelet plots. The integration of these wavelet plots would allow us to estimate what is the damage to buildings. This methodology has been validated with 4 major earthquakes in the world. From the perspective of insurance and economics, it is envisaged that this model would translate into more accurate pricing of insurance premiums. And so therefore, more vulnerable buildings would be charged with a much higher insurance premiums, which encourage building owners to retrofit their buildings. The outcome would save lives, buildings, and cities. From the wider scale, better estimates of building damage would allow urban planners to better enhance urban resilience towards seismic hazards. The world will be a much safer place and a better place for future generations to come. My name is Darren Chen from the National University of Singapore. Thank you.